We just got a new stylus pen for our iPad here. Here's what it came with, a little charging cable for Type-C port right here. Type-C charging port right here. Here's a little rubber thing that goes in it to keep the dust out of it when it's not being charged. All right, so there's the Type-C charging port right there. And this is the cord that goes with it, that came with it. It's also got a little user manual and little precautions for use, but it's pretty simple to operate. Nothing complicated here. It also comes with some little replacement nibs right here, which are the little tips basically that screw on and off right here on the bottom. And you can unscrew them right there. You can see how that's easy to screw on and off right there. I'm gonna tighten it back up. So those are replacements. It's recommended to do that periodically. Here's the box that the pen came in right here. Pretty simple. And so to turn it on, we're going to hold the indicator. We're going to push it in for hard press for 2 seconds. To turn it on, we're going to hard press for 2 seconds. And we should have indicator lights. So it came charged in the box for me. That was nice. 3 indicator lights show that it's turned on. Now we're going to turn on the iPad. All right, so we're going to go to our Bluetooth and we're going to turn on the device, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. It's going to work on recognizing other devices. Right now my AirPods are not connected, obviously, so that's what's showing up right here. There we go. It'll show up as pencil. Pencil right here. So you click on pencil and it asks pairing request. We say yes. We see our pencil is connected. All right, so I opened up a blank Note. This is the Notes app on the iPad. It's also on the iPhones and everything. So you can see it's turned on. So all we got to do is just start writing whatever we want or drawing whatever we want, right? So it's working just fine. So if you are in the market for a stylus pen for your iPad, this should work just fine. I give it a thumbs up. Good job. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like, and thanks for watching and have a good day.